Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I am here with arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. In my previous video I have completed till exercise 1.2. So today we are going to commence with exercise 1.3. So before we commence the exercise 1.3, let me know that in previous videos I have told you about nth term of an AP. Now we are going to learn sum of nth term of an AP. Here sum of nth term of an AP, and it is denoted by Sn. Sum of nth term of an AP is denoted by Sn, and the formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This formula you need to by heart. Then if last term of an AP is L, then Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus L it will be. And one more formula, if the sum of first n positive integers, that is natural number, is given, at that time we have to write the formula Sn is equals to n plus 1 by 2. So now today we are going to start the exercise 1.3 based on sum of nth term of an AP. So exercise 1.3, here we can see the first question is find the sum of the following AP. Find the sum of the following AP. Here I will write the question. The first question is 2. You can see in your textbook. First question is 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. See, they have given till 10 terms. Up to 10 terms they have told, and find the sum of the following APs they have told. Here they have told up to 10 terms. So we know that first term is A is equals to 2, D is equals to 7 minus 2. Second term minus first term, D is equals to 7 minus 2 is nothing but 5. We got first term as 2 and D is equals to 5. Then this is nothing but n. n is equals to 10. Find the sum of AP. So S10 we need to find. We know the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. You need to by heart the formula first to solve the problems. So Sn is equals to 2a, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Let us substitute the values. N S10 is equals to 10 by 2 2a. A is nothing but 2. In place of A we have to write 2 plus n 10 minus 1. D is nothing but 5. In place of D we will write 5. Now we know that 2 is divisible by 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So 5 we will write as it is. 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. Now we never should add 9 and 4. This is completely different terms. So 5, 4 plus 9 5s are 9 3 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45 is equals to 5 into 45 plus 4 is 49. So S10 is nothing but you have to multiply 49 into 5, that is nothing but 245. So this is the answer, sum of 10 terms. What? till here we have done, like it was not clearly visible, I guess. 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 4 is 49, 49 5s are 245. Okay, so same way second one you should try yourself, same method. You just see in the textbook and try yourself second one. Let us go for third one. Third problem, let me see how they have given third problem. Third is 0.6, comma 1.7, comma 2.8, comma up to 100 terms. Okay, they have told 100 terms. So we need to find S 100. Okay, A is equals to 0.6, D is equals to 1.7 minus 0.6, and N is equals to 100. So 1.7 minus 0.6 if you do, you will get 1.1. Okay, we will write 1.1 D value. If you subtract this, you will get 1.1. So Sn is equals to n by 2. Okay, let me do in that page only. 2a plus, I'll do in the next page. Sn is equals to, okay, Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So let us go on substituting. Yes, 100 they have told us to find, right? 100 by 2. Okay, 100 by 2, 2a, a what value they have given? 0.6. Okay, plus 100 minus 1, d what we got? 1.1. Okay, so now 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. So what we got? 50 into 0.6 into 2 is 1.2. When you multiply, you will understand. You will get 6 to the 12, point 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 1.1. Okay, so 50 as it is, 1.2 as it is. This will multiply. 99 into 1.1 is nothing but 108.9. Okay, so we will add this 50, 108.9 plus 1.2 is 110.1. You can multiply and you can check, you will get sure answer, because addition and multiplication takes long time, so I can't do here. I have already done before the video only, so I'm writing now. So 50 into 110.1 is nothing but 5505. This is your S 100. This multiply, so we got S 100. This is about third problem. Fourth one, try yourself. It's very easy, same method. Try yourself. Fourth one you have to try yourself. Let us go for now second main. Second main question we can see in this. Find the sum given below. Direct question, up to. You can see the difference. Here TO2 is there, here direct is there. Find the sum. Find the sum of the given series. Okay, how we can find the sum directly? Okay, we will check. They have given question 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dots plus 84. Okay, this is the question. Now here find the sum of. They have given the question, find the sum of. But here we know that A is equal to 7. Yeah. D is equals to second term minus first term. 10 1 by 2 minus 7. Okay, and this is the last term L. L is equals to 84. Because I have told you in the formula in the beginning only, if the last term is given, we have to write L. Okay, now D we need to find properly. D is equals to 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. Now, how we can find 21 as it is minus 7 2s are 14 by 2. So, D is equals to 21 minus 14 is nothing but 7. 21 minus 14 is 7 by 2 as it is. So, we got D value this. Okay. We got D value. Now, we need to find N. We don't know N. Okay. How many terms are there in this series? We don't know. How many terms are there in this sequence? We don't know. Here in previous question they have given 10 terms, 100 terms. Okay. Now here they didn't mention anything. So let us find by this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus L. Sn is equals to a by 2 a plus L. Not a plus L. N formula we need. No, we don't know N only, right? We don't know here N, and so Sn also we don't know. So I will take this formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 d formula. An formula we know that an is a last term. Nth term is also called last term. L is also nth term. So 84 is equal to a is equals to 7 plus n we don't know, d we know 7 by 2. Okay, so now 84 minus 7 is equals to 7 by 2 n minus 7 by 2. Okay, now we can see here. Okay, 84 minus 7 is 77. Now I will bring this 7 by 2 this side. It becomes 7 plus 7 by 2 is equals to 7 by 2 n. Okay, 2 7s are 14. 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 154 plus 7 by 2 is equals to 7 by 2 n. Now it is completely upon, we can cancel this 2. 154 plus 7 is 161 is equals to 7 n. Okay, now n is equals to 161 by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 remains, 7 3s are 21. So we got n is equals to 23. Okay, now what they have told us to find sum of this sequence. So total number of turn is 23. So we can find Sn formula now. Sn is equals to, okay, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so Sn will be 23 now. 23 is equals to 23 by 2 2a a is what? Value is 7 plus n is 23 minus 1 d we have got already 7 by 2. Okay, 23 by 2 we cannot cancel as it is keep 7 2s are 14 plus 23 minus 1 is 22 into 7 by 2. Okay, now we can cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 1s are 2. Okay, we got 23 by 2 as it is we have to keep because we can't cancel that. 14 plus 7, 11 7s are 77. Okay, 23 by 2. 14 plus 77 we can add and see 77 plus 14. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 8 9 91 we got. 7 8 9 10 11 91 into 91 we got. Okay, so 23 into 91 we have to do. 23 into 91. If we multiply, we are going to get 2093. Divide by 2 as it is. So if we divide this, we are going to get in a 1046 1 by 2 after division. This is the answer for S23. Okay, you can keep like this also. Yes, the question number this is second main first question. So second one you have to try yourself. Second one, which is exactly same like question number 1. So let me do the question number 3 now. Question number 3. So the question number 3 is, I'll read out the question, same thing, not question number 3, second main third question it is. Okay, second main third question, -5 plus -8 plus -11 plus plus -230. So this is the question. Now we have to solve. Here they have told find the sum of the given series. Now A is -5, D is second term minus first term, -8 minus of -5, second term minus first term. D is equals to -8 plus 5, that is D is equals to -3. Okay, and last term an, that is L, is equals to -230. This is about last term. Now first we need to find n. So we know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. An is nothing but -230 is equals to a is -5 plus n we don't know, minus d is -3. Okay, -230, I'll bring this -5 here, it becomes +5 is equals to -3 into n is -3n, minus minus plus 3 ones are 3. Here -225 it is plus 3, if I bring here it becomes -3. This left out here is -3n. Okay, minus minus is plus, -228 is equals to -3n. Minus minus get cancelled. So what we get here is n is equals to 228 by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21. 1 carry, 3 6 are 18. So what we got, n is equals to 76 we got. So we need to find now sum of 76 term. Okay, so we know that again formula. Here last term is given. When the last term is given, I have told you one more formula we can use. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus el. Even you can use for first one problem also, second one problem. Okay, this formula, which is very small, also we can get very easily answer. 76 by 2, a value we have got -5 plus l is -230. Okay, so we can cancel here even number. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 eights are 16. We got 38. Okay, -5 plus minus -230. So 38 as it is, minus minus is plus, -235. -235 into multiply we have to do, that is plus minus plus is minus. 235 into 38 is 8930. So our S76 is -890. So in my next class I'm going to continue with the third main. So do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.